Are you in need of roof repair, roof replacement, or roof installation services? Don't risk your home, furniture, and other belongings with a leaky or damaged roof. More damage means the more money out of your pocket. Finding the right roofing company sometimes can be hard. You need to make sure that they have the knowledge, skills, and experience necessary to provide you with complete installation or repair services. We're here to help. With a highly trained, licensed, insured, and experienced team of roofing contractors, we're proud to offer the best roofing services for all types of roof. From installation to repair and replacement, we take each project with care and with a focus on open communication and getting the job done right the first time. You'll be glad to know that not only do we use top quality materials and work tirelessly to craft the perfect roof for your home, but our pricing is so affordable. Contact us today for a no-obligation estimate.